Hello everybody, my name is Panvi Narang and I'm a finance intern at IIMJobs Analysis. Today we are going to discuss about IIMJobs. How did it start? So let us begin. It was started by Mr. Tarun Matta as a blog in 2008 to aggregate interesting jobs for his friends and family. So what has he done as an experience is he has studied in the field of technology, recruiting and IT service industries. What do? They focus exclusively on premium end of the recruitment space, which is essentially providing amazing job opportunities to graduates from premium business schools within the mid senior management hierarchy level. They feature the best jobs in banking and finance, HR, IT, operations, research and analytics, sales and marketing. How they won? How are they so successful right now? One of the biggest problems they faced is that they were present in highly competitive market, and as a startup no one has huge budgets to spend on advertising and marketing, so they have gone about quite building a brand. They went with a method of mouth advertising, which is word of mouth advertising coupled with power of personal recommendations is far superior to, and they've proved that that word of mouth is the best form of marketing. IIM Jobs act as a bridge between recruiter and candidate, and they don't even charge any money from the candidate. They don't ask for, they allow recruiters to post their jobs free online. Now you must be wondering how they earn money. We'll discuss that later. With over 5 lakh active users registered and featuring some of the best jobs in banking and finance, consulting, HR, IT operations, IIMJobs.com is the largest recruiting site. Focused on premium segment of the market, the platform has worked with 350 companies including ICICI Bank, Accenture, Flipkart, Make My Trip, Amazon, Zomato, and a lot more. With a team of 70 to 75 people and with revenues doubling every 6 months, the startup expects to be India's largest recruitment company in 5 years. Receiving around 8 lakhs views every month, IIMJobs offer recruiters a chance to advertise their job via premium postings that offer them much higher visibility as compared to free job listings. How they generate money. If we talk about how they generate money, premium services and advertising on their site are the source of revenue. So is the answer to the question which we asked previously. Flashing news. There's a current news which is flashing everywhere, that Info Edge India Limited, which is a promoter for job portal Naukri.com, on Tuesday announced acquiring premium recruitment platform IIMJobs.com. So it will be acquired soon by Naukri.com. What are the strengths of IIMJobs? What I believe, they have a strong customer base. All the recruiters prefer IIMJobs to post their recruitment process. They provide amazing services, and third strength is word of mouth. Their marketing agenda has been great. Word of mouth has worked for them. What are the weaknesses? So they have a lot of competition coming ahead currently and in the past. So competition is something that they have to face each and every day. They allow only premium school students to be acquired, and that's it. That was my take on IIMJobs.com. Let me know if you like it. Thank you.